Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to discuss about another flow control statement, if and else. In Go, if statements are used to make decision in our code based on the condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the code inside if block is executed. If it is evaluated to false, the program will skip the if block. Unlike in many other programming languages, Go does not require parentheses around the condition. But the curly braces are mandatory if there is only one line of code inside the block. Here we have a simple example about the if block and how it works. Here we have int variable age initialized with 18, and we have a if statement with the condition if age is greater than or equal to 18, we print you are an adult. Here, our age variable keeps the value of 18, and the condition age is greater than or equal to 18 is true. So, this program will print you are an adult. If we change this age to like 14 and try to run this, then this if block will not executed. We can also include an else block to handle the scenario when the condition is false. Condition in the if statement false and the program will skip the if block, then the code inside the else block will execute. Here we have modified our example code to include an else block. Here we have age as 14, then the condition in if will false, then the program will not go inside this if block. It will skip the if block and go to else statement. Then the text inside the else statement will print like this. Now we can modify this with short if statement in Golang. Let's see how we can do that. We can remove this age variable declaration and initialization here, and we can include it inside the if block, and we can separate it from the condition by using a semicolon. Let's try to run this. Here, this program also work as previous one. Let's try to increase this to 18. Let's try another value. Here, this age variable will only live inside this if else block. We can't access this age variable outside the if block.